Hey everyone! Ever notice that tiny padlock icon next to a website's URL? Or that scary, not secure warning? That little lock is actually the bodyguard of the internet, HTTPS. But how did we get here? And why was the internet so vulnerable back in the day? Let's dive into the world of encryption. In the early 90s, the internet was basically the Wild West. We were using HTTP. The problem? Everything you sent, your passwords, your credit card info, traveled across the web like a postcard. Anyone sitting in between could easily read it. Privacy? Non-existent. In 1994, a company called Netscape said, "Enough is enough," and developed the SSL protocol. That's when the S for secure entered our lives. Suddenly, data was traveling through an encrypted tunnel. At first, only banks used it because it was expensive and made computers run slower. Until the 2010s, HTTPS was a luxury. But then the giants stepped in. Google announced they would rank secure sites higher. Then projects like Let's Encrypt made these security certificates free for everyone. Today, browsing a site without that S feels like sleeping in a house with the front door wide open. Behind that little padlock lies a massive battle of mathematics and privacy. Next time you see it, take a moment to appreciate that your data is safe. Which do you value more, security or browsing speed? Let's talk in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe.